What's up guys, Matthew Mouse Battles, and today I've got a battle between Diablo Nemesis XD and Lightning L-Drago 100 whole flat. Badly. And L-Drago is going to take round one. Oof. He just got pounded out of the stadium. Yikes. Nemesis takes that round. Can L-Drago come back? He got it. This does not need, this can be lower. There we go. 2-2. If I am not mistaken, I just saw L-Drago go all the way over there by the computer. And now I have to line this back up again. Great job, me. So smart. And there's the light bending because I moved the camera. Okay. I found it. That took a little bit. I am going to switch to the red one though, just in case, because that hit was hard and that scared me. Okay. Here we go, with red L-Drago now. And both went out. Oh, what's this? Oh, L-Drago gets the KO. So, your winner is Lightning L-Drago 100 whole flat. That was a fun battle. That is one of the hardest hits I've ever seen because that sent the Bay to get over there. The Bay had to get enough airtime and power to launch over the stadium and over the you know, edge here, right? Get airtime to be able to jump over a Pokemon tin. And enough airtime to be able to still like clear and get through the chair as well. And then it got stuck in a napkin that's kind of under a wire that had to just and get stuck. Wow. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.